Welcome to indiansharetips.com, and we are going to discuss with an example that can you calculate probability of events and calculate risk. So we will give you this short real story. So this gentleman John Meriwhether, a bond trader with Salomon Brother, which is a investment bank, and this guy was working with them. In 1991 there was treasury securities fraud, and John Meriwhether was made to quit because this fraud was labeled on his name. He was a good networking people, and he had hired too many good people in Salomon Brother who were basically educationists and best minds of the world. And later on, some of them even got Nobel Prize also. So this gentleman quit and started his own management fund called as long-term capital management, and got phenomenal profits to the tune of 40% per annum. And his pinnacle of glory was coming to end in 1998 when he went to the extent of returning money to the investors, but he did not reduce down his positions because his calculators and calculations by these brainy persons thought that maximum loss in their trades will be $35 million. However, market spiraled down and it led to a loss of $1.9 billion. And finally, long-term capital management firm was bailed out by Bank of America. So remember that humans can not calculate probability of large events. They can calculate probability of small events, but being right on the ability to calculate probability of large event may or may not be accurate. So you have to give this margin of error and do not trade blindly. Always have a stop loss in place. Remember that Newton too had also lost money in stock market, and he has remarked that he can calculate motions of heavenly bodies but not the madness of the crowds. So if you are entering in the stock market, don't take everything as a gospel truth. Please trade always with stop loss, because stop loss is not your enemy but a risk control mechanism. Risk control mechanism always make sure that you remain in the game. Aim is to stay in the game so that you can make good money from the market. You can make excellent profit with us on a daily basis up to 30% using our Bank Nifty option tip. You can even start with a small capital of rupee 5,000 to 10,000 and still make excellent profit on a daily basis.